So I'm Aaron Martin. We're here at our farm south of Wellman. We farm here in Terry County. 6 generations back, I mean, that's how long we've been doing this. We grow cotton, peanuts, wheat. So it is a family operated farm. I farm with my dad and brother. We're blessed to have the employees we do have. We have some real good guys. Our land here, it is what we make our living off of. So my granddad always said, if you treat the land right, that land will treat you right. This has definitely changed. I mean, every year there's just more and more technology coming. You know, now we can get on an app and look at our tractors in the field as they're going. We can see how much fuel they have. We can see if there's any trouble codes that are on them. And we used to have to drive around checking water for 4 hours a day, you know, 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the evening. And we still do some checking water, you know, driving around, but it's really cut down on having to go out and check them with being able to check them on our phones. And looking online to look at chemical rates, different chemical uses, checking markets of commodities, and it's all connected one way or the other. Out here in the rural community out here, we don't have any other options. We need Poka Lambro, and they've built out this network that's very reliable. We haven't had any issues with them. I mean, to get that type of service, living in the middle of nowhere, and it is important for us to be able to connect with the rest of the world. And Poka Lambro has been real important to our operation through many different aspects, but they just have gone up and beyond what I figured they'd ever do.